Hi, I'm Dan with Learning to Smoke, and today we're cooking with Cowboy. And what we're cooking today is Mexican street corn dip, also known as elote dip. And so traditionally with elotes, normally what you'll do is you'll grill the corn, and then you'll top it with delicious toppings such as mayo, sour cream, chili lime seasoning, cilantro, even Parmesan cheese, cotija cheese, what have you. There's a variety of options. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make this into a dip. What we're gonna do is grill some corn here with some Cowboy charcoal. So what we do to start is we're gonna take the corn and we're gonna put them directly on the grates. So normally when I'm grilling the corn, I usually give it about 5 minutes and then I'll rotate it and cook it on the other side for another 5 minutes or until I get that desired char that I want. Our corn on cob should be about ready now, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's ready. Gonna move that over there to the cutting board. Got some nice char on there. We didn't overcook it. The kernel should be nice and soft, and some of them got that nice little char on there. Now that the corn is off the grates, if it's not too hot to the touch, you can start scraping it off and onto the cutting board. Start cutting down just like that. Don't cut too far in, not too deep, but just enough. So as you can see right here, that's about what you want to do. And as I had mentioned before, we don't need every single ear of corn that we've grilled. So I'm gonna scrape about 3 to start, and we'll measure the recipe from there, but 3 is usually the magic number. So now that the corn is scraped off, what we're gonna do is combine the rest of the ingredients here in the bowl first. So I'm gonna take my mayonnaise, put that in there. Next, I'm gonna put in some sour cream. Now we're gonna dump in some lime juice, and we're gonna put in some jalapeno. Now this is optional. I'm gonna sprinkle some in there. Just help it give it a little more crunch, a little more kick. And we're gonna put some cotija cheese in. Nice and crumbly there. Put most of it in there. We'll use the rest for a garnish on top. And we'll sprinkle in some chili lime seasoning. And we'll mix a little cilantro in. Now normally I top it with cilantro, but I'll mix some in here as well. And we got that. We're gonna put our corn in there. With the ingredients all in there, now we're gonna mix it together with a spoon. And as you mix it, you may see that you may wanna add more mayo or maybe add more corn. I think this is looking really good. So now the Mexican street corn dip is made. We're going to transfer it here to a serving bowl. We've already got some tortilla chips sitting out. I'll move this spoon to the side and start pouring this in. Now, a great thing with this dip, I've got tortilla chips to the side, and that's my ideal way of eating this Mexican street corn dip. But you can also eat it with pretzels. You can have it with crackers. I've even used it to dip taquitos in. You can pour it on top of your tacos. There's a variety of things you can do with this dip. I'm gonna top it, a little more garnish here with some cotija cheese and some cilantro. There we go. So good. And that's it. The recipe's done. It's that simple. You can find the full recipe on the website. In the meantime, keep cooking with Cowboy.